you guys. Okay, so again, we're gonna go ahead and continue with the waffle recipe. So keep in mind that 3 cups of waffle mix, that's the 3 cups of waffle mix, plus 2 eggs, okay, plus 1 cup of milk, you'll need 12 waffles. Very similar, very much similar to what we do here in chemistry when we are dealing with chemical reactions and equations. This is a chemical reaction to making waffles, which we put it as an equation. These are your reactants, which is the ingredients, and this is the product, what makes, which is the waffles. Okay, so now let's go ahead and look at problem number 2. How many cups of waffle mix are needed to make 20 waffles? Okay, so let's start with the given. This is 20 waffles. That is your given. And then your unknown is gonna be cups. Okay, so the main things you have to think about is mainly the units, of course, the cups. Okay, so that will be the cups, and we don't know yet, so that's something we need to solve for. Okay, molar mass, sorry about that. We do not have any grams nor basically our mass. So we're basically not yet doing that. Remember that molar mass is based on 1 mole equals molar mass, but that we'll do that later. Okay, so now the mole ratio, if you guys remember from problem number 1, the unknown goes on the top, but only, you have to think of it just only this is based on the equation. Very important. It's really all you have to do is look at the equation. So the unknown, and it's on the top. This is a division, and then the bottom is your given. Okay. So what it is that your unknown. Of course, you get your unknown based on the units, which is cups. Okay, and then your given would be the waffles. Okay, and then the number we get it from the equation. Okay, so the cups is basically the cups of waffle mix. So sorry, it's waffle mix. So cups of waffle mix is the WM, which is WM. So this will be, your WM is 3, so it will be 3 WM. Sorry. Okay, which is 3 cups of waffle mix. Okay, and then the bottom one is the waffles, which is 12 waffles. Okay, it will be 12 waffles. Okay, so now we're ready to put it in here. Okay, so again, we always start with our given. Okay, so it will be 20 waffles. And since this is the only conversion we're doing, all you have to do is basically put this just the way it looks down here. Okay, so it will be 3 cups of waffle mix. 3 cups of waffle mix divided by 12 waffles. Okay, and that right there is, and keep in mind this is division, so we could do that first. It was 3 divided by 12, and then you multiply that by 20, and that should give you 5. Okay, that will give you 5. That would give you 5 cups of waffle mix. If you basically, you want to know how many waffles you want to make 20 waffles, and you need 5 cups of waffle mix. Okay, and again, these cancel because you basically want to know the waffle mix, how much you're going to put in there. Okay, and that is it, you guys. Okay, so hopefully you don't get confused with this. Just remember the unknown is based on the cups of waffle mix. The given is the waffles. That means the total. So that means you get the numbers on the equation. Very, very important that the mole ratio is based on the equation, but you guide yourself with the unknown with the units. Okay.